How do I get an interest in math? Well, this is a question that I get most of the times from all the parents. Now, the point here is if you want to make your child fall in love with math, you have to make your child fall in love with numbers. It's as simple as that. When a child is in a position to calculate mentally, the child is in a position to play with numbers, automatically math becomes interesting. What we normally tend to do is we tend to treat math as just another subject. And this is where things don't work, because math as a subject is perfect. A 4 plus 3 is a 7. Any answer other than 7 is certainly not acceptable. And this is what makes math very unique. It is a subject with which you happen to share a love or a hate relationship. That means if you're able to get it right, you are able to strike the chord, or simply you just end up having a math phobia. So I would again repeat the same thing. If you want to make your child fall in love with math, make your child fall in love with numbers. Right from the very beginning, train your child to calculate in the head. This not only will make him fall in love with the subject, but will also help him to build his visual memory, become more sharp, and also the issues that we as parents are concerned with in terms of focus and concentration. Fall in love with numbers, fall in love with math, and there you go, your problem is absolutely solved. Cheers, bye-bye.